Hey, it's your boy Hector here, and today I'm with the one and only.
Sorry, I didn't think you were gonna say it's your boy.
It's your boy Hector here today.
Sorry. Yo, it's your boy
Yo, what
Hector.
up, what up? Aloha, it's Hector here, global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty.
And it's your girl here, Bretman Rock, regular person.
And today I'm gonna teach you how to get this sickening look. So follow along.
We don't get sick, bitch. We get sickening.
Oh, Okay, so the first step for the Fenty face is always Pro Filt'r Primer. Have you used this?
Yes, a couple times actually.
One of the difference with this one that I really like is the fact that it doesn't feel dry or tacky. You know, oftentimes primers feel
Tacky.
like too heavy or like you can feel it. All right, so then interesting enough is that you and I are the same color.
So interesting. Ooh, are you mixing it with a primer?
Duh. That's if.
Wow, I'm having a moment right now.
Why?
Wow, you're really out here doing that.
Well, for many reasons. One, is gonna last longer. Two, the application is way lighter, so you have way more control. I like to always start with my brush first and then damp it off with the sponge. Ooh, you look cute in 310.
Oh my god, thanks. I agree. Wait, what shade is this for those at home that wants to know?
310.
We are shade 310. Bad bitches are 310 and up. Oh yeah, so today, I mean not today, a couple of days ago, I woke up in hives or whatever.
Okay, so here what I'm doing, slowly building this coverage, making sure you feel and look nice and natural. Ooh, your ears a little red, how cute.
I'm just flustered. No bitch, it's the hives.
No, don't forget your neck.
Yeah, that's also part of your face.
The one reason why we're doing this video with Bretman is because obviously it's just Bretman and we're extra. And
They just wanted a free trip to Hawaii.
well, and the other thing is because who better else to announce one of our best launches of 2019, Pro Filt'r Concealer.
I know y'all screaming at home right now. So how many shades of concealers are there gonna be, Miss Hector?
We're actually launching 50 concealers.
50? One for each state in America?
The point of difference with this, so as you know, we always used to use our matchsticks as a concealer, but we also felt like we needed something with more coverage. So with this, you can build your coverage. So if you want to go again, natural, full coverage. So here, I'm giving you more coverage. So the brush naturally is going to give you more coverage than the sponge.
Why is that, Miss Hector?
Well, the thing is, when you think about a brush, the product is just going to distribute it evenly. The sponge is going to mimic the texture around where it's applying it.
Truly. She knows her shit.
Right, so tell me how that feels.
Like.
Can you imagine? Let's contour you because we know you die for a little contour. I like to start a little bit higher. So I know that oftentimes people would tell you to start from here and go there or do like the duck face. If you go a little bit higher.
Like Rihanna, you take me higher.
So as I mentioned, I'm using Truffle to contour. I'm taking my same all over full body brush to diffuse any harsh edges.
We don't want edges.
No, especially like if they dry, you know what I mean? And that's like little tacks.
What is little tax?
Like I don't like saying tacky, so I say tax.
Yeah, because tacky is becoming
Like
tacky.
So if you say tax, it's like people be like, what? You'll be like, exactly what you are.
Yeah, like I said what I said, you're tax.
So underneath the jawline, you know that for sure. There's a little nose contour and whatever it is. Right, so what I'm doing is the same thing on this side now. It's like contouring, giving warmth to the skin. So what I'm gonna do here, just so I can do a faster warmth to your skin, is take Truffle behind my hand and then take my all over foundation brush, pick up that product and give you some warmth.
Ooh, so warm. Oh my God.
So now, I think I'm done with my Fenty face. Obviously the only step that I'm missing is powder. But since we're not gonna do powder now because we're gonna do that last, I'm ready to beat them eyes, give it a full beat.
Yes.
All right, so one of the things that I love about this concealer is, like I mentioned to you, not only is it buildable, long lasting, I like to use something a little bit darker. So this is 420.
Or whatever.
And I'm actually gonna prep your eyes with this color. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm going more for this like neutral sparkly eye that I'm going for. So if I start with a brown base, it makes it easier. So this is creating like a base for me. So automatically, if you look at this, I just set it. It looks like a soft brown smoky eye. Oh, you're looking cute.
Duh.
Let's set that real quick with Invisimatte. Just lightly tap that in there. So using my lovely Moroccan Spice palette, I feel like we have showcased a lot of nuts and dates, Hennessy, cumin get it, but I think I want to go more for a shisha smoke.
Ooh.
So I'm taking a smaller brush. Now I'm going to start smoking from the lower lash lines and then working my way up into the upper lids. I like to start here just as a guide on the shape that I'm going for. How do you usually do like your makeup? Do you start on the top and then work your way back to the bottom?
I'm a bottom, so I do the bottom first.
Got it. Close the eyes. Close the eye. All right, so I'm gonna start just working my way in the outer corners of the eye. Just really bringing like a nice soft smoke.
Like a V. I always thought the V stands for verse. Bottom, verse, top.
That's actually a great way of looking at it.
Makeup for Dummies 101. No, Makeup for Gays 101.
Yes, for gays. So what I'm bringing here is a small V. So connecting from the lower lash lines, upward, and then in. Just creating like a cat eye, but instead of using liquid liner, we're gonna be using eyeshadows. So using Fez Up, it's gonna create like some contour here. Now that I have already completed my matte, I'm gonna switch off to a little bit of shimmer using my CLF Killawatt and my all over eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna slowly start building from the tear duct into the center of the lids.
Have you ever been doing someone's makeup and they like sneeze or like some shit?
I've had so many different like things happen. People fall asleep, sneeze, rub their eyes.
I'd be like, girl, finish it yourself since you wanna take matters into your own hands.
Right. So taking a slight bit of Diamond Balm.
I love the texture of it. It's so bouncy.
So it's a bouncy jelly form, which is why it feels like cooling and like jelly. Right, so here what I'm doing is just slightly define the root of the lash. After I finish with this, I'm gonna apply pair false lash, because you know Bretman loves a good full lash.
Truly.
And then we're gonna go back and do some more artwork with flat liner. So I just finished your lashes, a little bit of brow. I think we need a little more of a moment.
Yeah,
what do you think?
I know.
Like, what is your favorite makeup product? Like, what is one thing you cannot leave the house with?
Powder, I would say.
So maybe we just have a solution for you. So the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder can be used for setting your foundation, or you can use it from brightening underneath the eyes or around the area. Around the area, you know.
Which area?
It depends. Kidding. I'm gonna use banana.
It's so fresh.
And it's so luxe. Like the packaging is so luxe. So I'm gonna take a little bit back here. Okay, so using the back of my sponge, and I'm just literally pressing into the skin where I want this coverage.
Ooh, I love it.
Using Fez Up, I'm gonna take a small brush and smoke your lower lash lines. I'm just gonna really focus on the outer corner and work my way up.
It's so ticklish.
Really?
Yes.
How is it ticklish?
Girl. Like no one tells you like it's ticklish?
No. Ready?
Ben.
So I'm gonna use Killawatt foil in the shades Mimosa Sunrise, Sangria Sunset to give it like a nice wash of color. I'm gonna start from the temple, which is my favorite thing to do. I'm just gonna like rotate so the camera can feel what I'm seeing right now. And you're posing for the gods.
Do you see that? Ooh, I love it. I love doing the tip of my nose. It's like, achoo. Just sneeze.
Alright, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of Diamond Balm right on top of that. Alright, so what are you thinking for lips?
Maybe like something.
I'm gonna do MIMOSA. I'm gonna do the new MIMOSA. Because I feel like, I mean, can we talk about this packaging, how beautiful it is?
Girl.
So I'm actually gonna go ahead and go with I Quit, just because I feel like it's gonna bring that beautiful fez up from the eyes into your lips, but I'm only gonna use it as like a lip liner effect. So I'm gonna diffuse it with a lip brush. So what I love about this shade is like a very beautiful taupey. Do you usually outline your lips?
It depends. Like, am I sucking or?
So I already have outlined your lips. So now I'm gonna use Unbutton just in the center. I'm gonna tap it first. So I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit.
Ooh, girl, I already got it in PR. Best believe I lost at the club this weekend.
So do you want to apply yourself?
Huh?
I think that would be better.
Yeah, girl.
Here, hold this.
Should we add a beauty mark right here? Because it's fading. See? I look like a woman now. Bretman to Bretwoman.
Bretman left, so I'm gonna do my outro by myself.
Bitch, I'm right here. I'm so sorry, guys. I had to run a few errands. Had to take my dog to the vet real quick. Got this from the vet.
What is all these inches?
Girl, my hair was just up. I had to put it down. Wow, 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 wow.
Okay, that was too much. Okay, that was too much.
Oh my gosh, Hector, I did not see any of this coming.
Why not? Oh, because I'm always giving like natural beats, right?
Yeah, this is, wow.
Look at that highlight though.
Yeah, see the highlight. But most importantly, do you see this concealer? Hives? Never heard of her.
Have a good
Aloha.
one. Right, aloha. Aloha is good for buying.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say aloha. Should I say aloha?
Don't. It's so cringy.
Okay. Aloha. So I hope you guys enjoy. Sorry.
I didn't think you would actually say it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. I had so much fun giving you this beautiful sickening beat.
I agree. I had so much fun, Hector. Thank
What's
you
your
so
name?
Bretwoman.
Oh.
And you address me as such.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Fenty Beauty.
And Bretman Rock.
Till next time.
Bye.
Was that like a note?
Yeah.
That was cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.